1,000 apologies, Your Majesty.
What brings you to Copenhagen?
Oh, let's start.
At the beginning. Tell me about Halifax.
Halifax?
Is in the north, which I understand is in turmoil with all the new machinery.
Oh, well, yes. Some people are up to no good.
It is the future, however, is it not? This new machinery?
Well, yes, that's one way to look at it.
And we must always embrace the future. Is that so?
I'm not always convinced that is the best way forward.
Do you always wear black?
Well, no, not. Yes, always.
What?
It suits me.
But I can see any number of colours would suit you.
I was once engaged to a person, and that person to whom I was engaged to married someone else. And ever since, I have been in mourning for my loss. And that's why I very rarely wear anything other than black.
How romantic. And yet, time you got over it. Perhaps, again, Miss Lister, should we not always look to the future?
Except it keeps happening.
That's why you're in Copenhagen. You're on the run from a broken heart. And you come to my birthday ball, Miss Lister, which I do hope you will. Everyone will be wearing white.